The journeys of online businesses have soon resulted in a concept called social commerce, with business owners vigilant to get their products and services to the masses. People have found different social media platforms to be their safe havens. For the business owners, this can be a challenge posed or an advantage after all. If you have mastered what the needs of the customers are, it does not matter where they are, because you will still be in a position to gratify them. On the other hand, if you are yet to understand the social media trends for e-commerce businesses, then you will undoubtedly struggle with meeting the needs of your audience. Here are some of the social trends for e-commerce in 2019. Mobile technology has definitely made way into different sectors of life. Thanks to technology and enthusiasm for social media, so many people are accessing these platforms through mobile gadgets. It is effortless to scroll through different social media profiles and consume the information on your timeline from a phone. That said, you cannot afford to miss out on mobile for your e-commerce business. You have to embrace mobile for making inline transactions online. In fact, it would be a delight for people to shop from your store without leaving their social media platforms. Therefore, develop a smooth buying experience right from your posts online. Add clear call to action for every post, with specific details on how the users can make a purchase effortlessly. Visual appeal. Social media has, by far, taken the concept of visual appeal to a whole new level. People want a timeline that is active with content that strikes them visually. In essence, notice that the images used by different brands are a strategy to keep the audience glued on their platforms. Therefore, the kind of content you come up with must be visual enough, which means you need to invest in the composition, lighting, and color of their visual content. Remember, the idea is to come up with content that stands out from all the rest, enough to merit a purchase from your target audience. Need to build trust. Social media platforms may have been in existence for a while, but social commerce has not. As people are slowly getting acquainted with shopping online, business owners are having to put extra effort in establishing trust with their target audience. Notice how chatbots are in place to better communicate with users, but more so to create an atmosphere of trust in the customer journey. Other than that, e-commerce stores are specific with how much they can offer so that they do not frustrate the expectations of users. Video content. It is not enough to rely on images for visual appeal. Video content is quickly taking over the market. People are leaning more toward video-based content than text-based material. It is why you will notice brands taking the extra efforts to generate videos to go with the text-based content on their platforms. It ranges from short clips to long product reviews and other material that people need to consume. Live streaming. You would think video content would be the last of the social commerce trend. However, live streaming is up and knocking on people's timelines. Business owners are finding it easier to share information as it happens better than after it happens. This experience has also helped in cultivating an atmosphere of trust. The excitement to create live stream content can be over presenting a new product, changing your brand's narrative during a PR crisis, or introducing a collaboration with another brand or an influencer. Several trends are quickly emerging in the social commerce world. If you have not yet started on any of them, this list should help you keep on with them.